Removing the refrigerator doors. Removing the doors is always recommended when it is necessary to move the refrigerator through a narrow opening. Removing the handles is not recommended. Take necessary measurements to ensure that you have enough room to maneuver the refrigerator through the door. Use 2 or more people to remove and install the refrigerator doors. Failure to do so can result in personal injury or damage to the product. Remove food and bins from the doors and drawers before detaching. If the bins are still taped up from the factory, you don't have to remove them. Removing the right refrigerator door. Remove the top hinge cover screw. Remove the cover. Have someone hold the door to prevent it from falling. Rotate the hinge lever. Lift the top hinge. Open the door 90 degrees. Lift the door from the hinge pin and remove door. Place the door inside, facing up on a soft, non-scratching surface. Since the left door has a water supply, you must disconnect this water supply before removing the door. Remove the ring on the joint area. Hold the water supply connection and gently push the collet to detach the water supply line. Remove the top hinge cover screw. Lift up the cover. Disconnect all wire harness. On some models, the ground wire may be screwed to the chassis instead of having a plug. Pull out the water tube. Rotate the hinge lever counterclockwise. Have someone hold the door to prevent it from falling. Lift the top hinge free of the hinge lever latch. Open the door 90 degrees. Lift the door from the hinge pin. Place the door inside, facing up on a soft, non-scratching surface. Removing the freezer drawers. Pull the drawer open to full extension. Remove the lower basket by lifting the basket from the rail system. Remove rail screws on both left and right rails. With both hands, grasp the side of the door and pull it up to separate it from the rails. Be careful of sharp hinges on both sides of the drawer. With both hands, hold each rail and push it in to allow both rails to slide in simultaneously. Reinstalling the freezer drawer. Pull each rail out simultaneously until both rails are fully extended. Hook the door support rail tabs onto the rail. It is easier with 2 people. Lower door into final position and tighten the 2 screws. If this model has rail covers, reinstall those now. With the drawer pulled out to full extension, insert the lower basket into the rail assembly. Warning: if the door base divider is removed, there is enough room or space for children or pets to crawl inside. To prevent accidental child and pet entrapment or suffocation, do not allow them to touch or go near the freezer drawer. Reinstalling the left refrigerator door. Before installing the door, make sure the plastic sleeves are still inserted in the bottom of the door. Lower the door onto the middle hinge pin. Fit the top hinge over the hinge lever and move latch into place. Rotate lever clockwise to secure the hinge. Push the water tube located at the top of the left door into the hole beside the left hinge on top of the cabinet until it exits through the back. Install the grounding screw and connect the 2 wire harness. Hook the tabs on the left side of the hinge cover under the edge of the top hinge and position the cover in place. Insert and tighten cover screw. Reconnect the water supply. Insert the water supply tube into the connector until you see only 1 scale mark. Pull the tube to make sure the tube is tightly fastened. Then insert the restraining clip. Position the cover into place. Insert and tighten cover screw. Reinstalling the right refrigerator door. Lower the door onto the hinge pin at a 90-degree angle. Fit the top hinge over the hinge lever latch. Rotate the lever counterclockwise to secure the hinge. Hook the tabs on the right side of the hinge cover under the edge of the top hinge and position the cover in place. Insert and tighten cover screw. Now you can continue with the normal installation procedures. Thank you for watching this video.